Hey everyone, welcome to Science of Diet, and in this video I'm gonna tell you top 5 detox water that will help you to lose your weight fast. So please stay tuned with me till the end, and if anyone new watching my video, this is my request that if you have not subscribed my channel Science of Diet, then please hit this button and subscribe this channel now so you don't miss any new video. And guys, remember, this is a completely raw and unedited video. I'm not mixing any kind of music, or I'm not doing any kind of editing. So whatever you are watching, I'm speaking with you with my hearts. Okay, so if I do any mistake, then please forgive me. So now let's move to our document, and this is the document I actually prepared for you. And now we will move step by step. So here are the top 5 detox water recipe that you can prepare at your home. So now here is the number 1, and it is called the lemon ginger detox drink. So basically what you have to do, it is also remarkably simple to prepare, as I told you. Now so you have to take 12-ounce glass of water, half a ginger root knob, and a freshly squeezed lemon. Then infuse your water with fruits overnight or up to 12 hours. And if you choose to infuse your water with herbs, fruit, and spices for more than 4 hours, be sure that you remove the herbs and fruits from the water and toss them out. Now the infused water will last up to 3 days in the fridge so that you can consume. Now here is the detox water number 2, and it is a lemon and mint detox water. So for those that love sugary drinks, this tasty blend can permanently replace sodas and fruit juices. Now the mint is uniquely calming for all possible tummy woes. Simultaneously, the lemons provide the maximum amount of internal cleansing. Now infuse your water with fruits overnight or up to 12 hours, and then you can drink it. Okay, so now here is the number 3, and it is a watermelon detox water. So there are plenty of antioxidants stored within the juicy melon, and this generous ingredient is an extraordinary strong antioxidant, and it is also known to foster anti-inflammatory effect. This is great for anyone with a rigid fitness routine. Seedless watermelons are they are actually preferred for this blend. And just infuse your water with fruits up to 4 hours, and then it is ready to consume. Now moving on to number 4, and it is a detox cucumber water. Actually it is called a spa cucumber water. So for full day of drink, use 10 mint leaves, 1 raised lemon, and 1 sliced cucumber. Now infuse your water with these fruits overnight, or with these ingredients up to, or you can infuse these ingredients with the water up to 12 hours, and then it is ready to drink. Now here is the number 5, and it is a pineapple sugarcane spa water. So it only requires 2 sticks of sugarcane, approximately 5 pineapple chunks, and 2 liters of water. Now all H2O should be filtered, and the spring water is the best choice. And now what you have to do, just infuse your water with fruits overnight or up to 12 hours, so it becomes ready to drink. So guys, these are the top 5 detox water recipe that you must drink in 2080 in order to lose your weight fast. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked the video and the information. Please hit the like button for this video, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed this channel already. So I'm now signing off. I meet you in next video. Till then, keep on watching Science of Diet.